Hello and welcome to all. In this tutorial, we will discuss about key factor, bend allowance, and bend deduction and how to use them in the SolidWorks sheet metal. As you can see, here is a sheet metal, and after the application of the force for the bending, the sheet metal will deform like this. The outer, as you can see here, the outer layer will bear a tension, and the inner layer will deform as a compression. And determine the flat length, we have to calculate the bend allowance, or we have to know the bend allowance. That means how much material or the how much curve length we need to find out our final flat length. So these factors and allowances will solve the problem in the SolidWorks sheet metal and helps to minimize the loss in the sheet metal. So the inner part will face compression and outer will face the tension, but somewhere in between the compression and tension there is a axis or the area or the region where there is no compression and the no expansion. That means there is this is the real length of the sheet metal after the application of the force or the after bending. This axis, the imaginary axis, is called the neutral axis. So it's an important part. The all bend calculations are based on the neutral axis, not the outer or inner surface, because to calculate the correct flat length, we need to input the neutral axis or the K factor value. Neutral axis or the K factor value properly. It differs from material to material. So we will see through example also. And let's see how the K factor is used and what is the K factor. K factor is simply a unitless number and is the ratio that shows where the neutral axis lies in the sheet metal thickness during the bending. You listen again. Ratio is a ratio that shows where the neutral axis lies in the sheet metal thickness during the bending. That means that this is an imaginary neutral axis, that is the true length, and from the inner part where the neutral axis lies, this is given by the K factor. And the formula for the K factor is uh, uh, small t by capital T. Capital T means the thickness of the sheet metal, and small t means the distance of the neutral axis from the inner surface of the material. This ratio gives the K factor. So K factor is used to calculate the bend allowance and bend deduction, and eventually the flat length. Now let's see an example here. In this example, the flange length are L1 and L2 are 50 and 50. And the radius of this allowance area is the bend area is 5, and the bending allowance we calculated is 8.9 using this formula. Now after the calculation of the K factor, let's see the bend allowance calculation. First of all, what is the bend allowance? Bend allowance is the length of the material, this part, added to account for the bend arc when flattening a part. That means when you flatten this part like this, when you flatten this part, how much bend arc length shows the bend allowance during the flattening of the sheet metal. So in the bend allowance calculation, you need this formula. So here theta is the angle, this angle, and is you have to use it in the radians, R is inside bend radius, that is 5. K is the K factor we calculated earlier using the thickness, and the distance of the neural axis from the inner surface. T is the thickness of the sheet metal. Now using this formula, we calculated bending allowance, that is allowance or the length of the material added to account for the bend arc. That arc length, this is approximately 8.9. We will check it in the SolidWorks drawing also. Before that, let's see the bend deduction. What is the bend deduction? Bend deduction is the, you can see from here, bend deduction is the amount subtracted from the total flange length. That means 50 is equal to L1 plus L2 minus flat length. That gives the bend deduction formula, that gives the 5.10 after the input of this value. Total length is 150 plus 50 flange length. The flat length is 94.9. So the bend deduction is 5.10 mm. So that much amount should be subtracted from the total length to get the flat length of 94.9. You can see the vertical flange is 50, horizontal flange this from here to from here. So this is the vertical flange, this is the horizontal flange, and the bend deduction is L1 plus L2 minus flat length. This is how we calculate the, that's how we calculate the bend allowance and bend deduction in SolidWorks sheet metal. And K factor is a very important numerical ratio or the unitless factor to calculate the bend allowance and bend deduction. So after the understanding of these factor and allowances, we will go to the SolidWorks. I have already created this bend with a length of 50 and 50 and bend radius. Let's see the parameters. Input parameters, here the radius 5 as we discussed in our uh, drawings and calculations. Now here this one, and we have to change. You can change the other parameters also here. This is the default, and K factor we calculated 0.33, and this one is the thickness we have used 2 mm. Click OK. Now this is the bend part of the sheet metal. Now let's go to the sheet metal and use the flat end. This is the flat length. To see the flat length, you have to unmerge this first. Let's merge and see the result. There is a no bending allowance appearance. So again go to the flat pattern and unmerge. So you will see the region of the bending allowance. Let's measure the distance from this vertex to this vertex. That is the total length is 94.9. At 9 means 94.9. In our calculation, this was our drawing. This was also the 94.9. Now clear it and measure the bending allowance here. That is the curved part which is flattened here. It is 8.89 means 8.9. In our calculation, this was 8.9 bending allowance. Bend reduction, you can increase the bend reductions also. For this, go to the edit feature, and in case of the bend redux, this is K factor. This should be 0.33 K factor. Now go to the edit feature, the radius is 2, thickness 2, K factor 0.33. Now in the bend allowance, you check through bend allowance 8.9. This should be now 8.9. Click OK. Now again evaluate and measure. Measure from this vertex to the end, that is length 94.9. That's correct. Let's measure from this point to this point, that is allowance 8.9. That's also correct. You can use the any K factor or the any of them, bending allowance, bending deduction, etc. Now let's try the bend deduction. Bend deduction is in 5.1. Let's input the 5.1. Click OK. And if you again measure it, the result will be the same. That is the application of the K factor 94.9, and the bend allowance, it should be the 8.9. That's correct. In this way, the K factor, bend allowance, and the bend deduction works. K factor is one of the most important parameter to calculate the actual length of the sheet metal required for your final output, so that there will be no wastage in the material, and no limitations, or no uh, gap, or the output will be perfect as your design sheet metal. This much for the today. See you in the next videos.